Nobody on this earth will help you without getting something in return. I want all those people that will argue to argue first before I will say the next thing. So you can start saying capping is not correct. That's absolutely not true. I disagree. When you are done disagreeing, you will not tell me whether it's. Let me pause. Nobody is going to do something for you without benefiting something or getting something in return. If I see a beggar and give the beggar money, I'm not giving the beggar money because I love the beggar. I'm giving the beggar money because the Bible says, the Quran says, he that lendeth to the poor, he that giveth to the poor, lendeth unto God. That's the benefit. Those people that are helping people say, it's not collecting anything, no, it's just helping people. Who told you that? The Bible says what you sow is what you will reap. Who told you they don't know what they are doing? Okay, I'm teaching you for free now. You don't know that I'm benefiting something for teaching you for free. What were you thinking? You think I don't have anything to do in my life, I will spend hundreds of thousands to advertise, to gather all of you, then I'll start teaching you for free. Why are other people not doing it if it's that easy? I am benefiting. If you don't know now, I am benefiting big time. That's why I'm doing it. And somebody says, what do you benefit? And when you come to the paid class, you know what I benefit. That's why I teach those kind of things. So nobody will give you anything. Nobody will help you for free. Nobody. If people will help you for free, everybody should have been all right now. We have to know that if I invest in you, I'll get something in return. Even though nobody tells you like that. That's the point. Or as I'm investing in you, I'm getting something in return. You sit down there, you don't do anything. You want somebody to help you. You want somebody to give you their time to do what? As I'm here now, there are people that will call me now. I'll pick the call. I'll cancel this whole thing. Because I know I will get something. These people are not ordinary people. There are some other people that will call me now. I'll get angry. I'll block them. Because you shouldn't be calling me by this time. I told you already that I'm busy. I'm working. I announced it everywhere. Why are you calling me? You're supposed to know. I'll be pissed off. But other people will call me now. I will shut down what I'm doing now. Because I will get something. So I've told you how to get something. Go and serve him. Serve. Look for areas you can help him. That's how you get his time, and that's how you will now see that, okay, you are beginning to have sense, you are valuable, you will now find a way to help you. You go and meet somebody, say, I need 20,000. Why should I give you 20,000? What did you do for me? Why give you 20,000? There's no future of my 20,000. I'm not going to get anything in return. I did not see anything coming. I should give you 20,000. For what? How? Nobody does that. Thank you.